how to make a game pass for Please Donate on Roblox. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to create a game pass for the Please Donate game on Roblox. So let's just jump right in. Open up your web browser and then go to the search bar. Simply search for roblox.com and then hit enter. Once you get to the page, make sure that you are logged into your account. So once logged in, you're going to have to find the create icon on the top of your screen. Just click on it. Then you can head over to your creations tab on the left side of your screen. Once you head over to creations, you'll find your experience. Click on any of your experience, or if you want to create a new one, that's alright as well. Once that is done, you can just scroll down here and you can find different information about your creation. Now, all you have to do here is scroll down until you find monetization, and then you're going to have the passes option right here. Click on the drop down to expand it. Click on passes, and you'll find all of your game passes here. So I already have different game passes right here. So what I'm going to do is create a new pass. Tap on this option, create a pass. So if you want to change the icon, you can just click on this change icon, and then you can find different options from here. You can upload from your PC. Once that is done, you're going to give it a name. So let's just name it Please Donate Pass. And you can add a short description also if you want. Now all you have to do is click on Create Pass. This is only the first step. So once the pass is created, you can just click on the pass that you've created. So this is the pass that I've just created. I think this is not the one, so I'll just go down and then click on this one right here that I've just created. Then go to the sales option. Now you're going to have to put the item for sale. So here, when you enter the price, you have to note that you are going to get 70% off the Robux, and the remaining 30% is going to go to Roblox. So just enter the price. For example, if I enter 100 Robux here, I'm going to get 70 Robux, and the remaining 30 Robux is going to be for the Roblox game. Once that is done, click on Save Changes. And then when you go ahead and open up the Please Donate game here, you should be able to get and put the pass for sale. And that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.